Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play air, land, and sea. To begin, each player receives 6 command tokens and 6 battle cards from the shuffled deck. Next, place the 3 distinct theater boards, air, land, and sea, in the center of your playing area. Finally, determine the starting player. A simple coin toss or the youngest player starting works well. This quick setup ensures you are ready for an engaging strategic card game. On your turn, you have 2 main options: play a card or pass. If you play a card, you must place it face up in one of the 3 theaters: air, land, or sea. Each card has a value from 1 to 6 and often a unique special ability that triggers when played. Alternatively, you can play a card face down, which costs you 1 command token, but keeps its value hidden until the end of the round. To win a theater, you need to have the highest total card value in that specific air, land, or sea zone. The player who wins at least 2 out of the 3 theaters wins the entire round. Deciding when to pass is a crucial strategic element. Passing early allows you to save your valuable command tokens, which can be essential for future rounds, but it also means you concede the current round. Mastering air, land, and sea involves careful observation. Pay close attention to the cards your opponent plays and the theaters they prioritize. This helps you anticipate their next moves. Effectively using your cards' special abilities at the right moment can turn the tide of a battle, so plan your plays wisely. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A fresh car makes every journey better, just like a good strategy wins the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.